Good morning, I'm Matt Dagley, and this is The Daily. You know what happens next. You know you do. Let's go. This morning I had a meeting with the Dartmouth Splash Pad. It's a group that's getting the community together to raise awareness to get a splash pad built in Dartmouth. I think it's a great opportunity. It's a great idea to get people more active and to get kids out there to have some fun. So I'm going to be teaming up with them and doing some video content this summer. So check out their website, dartmouthsplashpad.ca, and if you're interested, check it out. So there's a dead-end road up here in Burnside, just behind McDonald's. There's a really good view I want to get a shot of. It actually warmed up a lot. It's not hailing, it's not snowing, it's not raining. Finally got the perfect day for this. Not sure why there's a pile of tires back here. Yeah, it's a pretty nice spot back here. I'm sure it'll soon be developed into housing or condos or apartments. And it's just to the back of Burnside. I received a few comments on YouTube about the Donnie Darko poster that normally sits at the back of the room while I'm shooting in the office. And it's one of my favorite films. I own it on DVD, Blu-ray, 10th anniversary edition. And I even have it set up that my screensaver on my MacBook is actually the original Donnie Darko film. I really like this poster because it doesn't give away a lot to what's going on in the film necessarily. My sister actually gave it to me for either my birthday or Christmas.
It's called The Duck Pond.
You got the title of the film at the top, Donnie Darko. You got the clouds. If you've seen the film, there's a plane involved with that. And if you haven't seen it, go see it now. There's a house that's in the film. And at the very bottom, which is the best part of this whole poster, you got the silhouette of a bunny rabbit, which plays a key part to the movie. Frank the bunny rabbit is the character's name. So, yeah. Really great film. Watched it probably a million times. I keep trying to do the viewer question, but there's a lot of birds out here. I keep trying to get a shot of them. Anything successful I'll throw on the screen right now. Let's see. So today's viewer question is, how did you discover your passion for filmmaking? I guess I kind of started filmmaking right after high school. I watched a lot of Jackass, EKY, a lot of that stuff. And I was always behind the camera, usually not in front of it. And I teamed up with some friends in the neighborhood, and they would do different tricks and stunts, and we would shoot it on tape. And they had a capture card on my PC at the time, and we would record it back. I would do the editing, and we would put it online, but YouTube didn't exist then. So a friend of mine had web space, so we put one episode at a time, leave it there for a week so that people could download it. And that was part of my group called Deathbox Productions. And yeah, that's kind of how I got into it. I just really enjoy it. I like sharing stories. I also like capturing moments in time. So like in 20 or 30 years, when someone watches this Daily Dagley show, they'll have a glimpse sort of my life and the life of people around me. And also even the landscape, like just driving around Halifax, you know that like even in 2 years, a building can be torn down and rebuilt, and the whole landscape can change. So I think it's interesting to document, so you can look back and see how things are, see how things were. And yeah, thanks for the question. I'm running out of viewer questions, guys. My list is getting short. Why are you looking around? I'm talking to you. Leave them in the comments on the video. Leave them on Facebook, Twitter. Go to the website. Leave questions wherever you want. But I need some more viewer questions so I can keep this going. Welcome to the end of another episode. As always, all the information's on the website, daily.dagleymedia.com. It's the last episode of the week. We made it 5 days straight. It's Easter weekend, so there probably won't be another video until maybe Tuesday. I don't know if we're having turkey or ham or what, but what do you guys usually eat over Easter? Of course, everybody has their chocolate bunnies, their chocolate eggs. Actually, what's your favorite Easter candy, your Easter meal? Let me know in the comments. All right, that's it. Happy Easter. Go eat some bunnies or something. All right, we'll see ya later. Good morning, I'm Matt Dagley, and this is The Daily. Welcome to episode 4, I don't even know.